Hey y'all, let's have a quick tour in our tiny home. We have been living in it 3.5 years, and let me show you around. Here we have a tiny porch, 2.5 by 2.5 meters. French doors that opening both outside. Here is Johanna's working station, sofa bed, bar table with a panoramic window. My working station, fan for the hot summer days, kitchen with kitchen hood, gas oven, induction stove, gas stove, lots of storage. All electrical appliances are here, not to take space on the table. Dishwasher, main entry door, lots of storage here. Under there 300-liter water tank, washing machine dryer combo, 100-liter fridge, wardrobe, bathroom with proper shower, sink and composting toilet, and stairs to the loft. Here is more wardrobe, chiller area, bed, and one more wardrobe. If you want to see more detailed tour, then check out link in description below, and see you in the next one. Cheers!